I want to give you a tour in the room. Let's go! That you gonna see in this moment is the bathroom. You're gonna take a shower or relaxing tubs. Really, the bedroom and the bathroom are big. You're gonna have 4 people in the bedroom. You can go to the website and they have many options for different rooms. Let's go to see the bedroom now. This is the big mirror in front of the bathroom. You have a 2 bed, queen bed. The decoration is perfect for tranquility or relaxing. Really is clean, everything. You can have the TV. The closet is small, and they have a security box for your expensive thing. A desk and a chair. This is the closet. They have a I love the view. In front you gonna see the Excalibur Hotel and another, but I don't remember the name. So in the night and in the morning when you get up, you can enjoy this beautiful view. The bedrooms have different illumination inside. One telephone. And I recommend this comfortable hotel.